Stan Gibilisco here, proprietor and operator of amateur radio station W1 GV, Whiskey 1 Good Vibrations. Behold behind me my 20-meter deck-mounted, capacitively loaded, monoband vertical antenna. And behold how many things, how many strikes it has against it when it comes to receiving human-made noise. Number one, it's a vertically polarized antenna. And according to the common lore, vertically polarized antennas pick up more human-made noise than horizontally polarized antennas do. All other things being equal, which of course they never are. Number two, it's right up next to the house. It's on the deck. Not 10 feet to my left is one of my nerd offices. And the house is full of compact fluorescent and light-emitting diode light bulbs to save energy. And they really do. They save a great deal of energy. But they also generate quite a great deal more electromagnetic noise than your old incandescent light bulbs used to do. That's strike number two. And strike number three is that this is a more or less suburban neighborhood, despite the fact that it's high up in the holds of Dakota Territory. United States of abundant QRM, and relatively sparse QRP. I run 10 watts output on CW, 7 watts output on PSK 31. But the reception is the problem. And it's the worst, of course, on the 20-meter band because the antenna is designed for that band and therefore works the best both for me and against me on that band. Well, what am I getting at with all this? What I'm getting at is my next challenge now that the dream of the long wave ranch and the low and very low and ultra low and super low and extremely low frequency reception experiments are over for the time being. There's noise enough on those bands, by the way, too. But there's a big difference between signals and noise, however you slice it. Signals are orderly. They convey information, intelligence. They always have some kind of a pattern. Whereas noise is more or less random in nature. It is disorganized. It may have an apparent pattern, a certain pattern of chaos, but noise is chaos. Signals are order. Those two characteristics separate the two, and as to the best of my knowledge, no one has ever really come up with a perfect way to receive all of the order and none of the chaos. That is my ultimate goal and challenge as a self-proclaimed amateur radio engineer, to invent a new way, or invent the first way, to truly separate the two and then pick the order and reject the chaos, thereby getting clear reception no matter how many devices humans may invent to thwart the dreams of the amateur radio operator, consciously or otherwise. It is said that Thomas Edison tried something like 1,000 times before he got his original light bulb to work. And after about the 750th failure, one of his assistants asked him, "Why don't you just give up? Why don't you just give up? You failed 750 times." And he said, "Oh, no. We're closer than ever to success, because you see, we've found 750 ways that don't work. We never have to try those ways again. Now let's go for attempt number 751. That might just work. And eventually, after something like 1,000 tries, on the 1,001st try, he did indeed succeed. Had he not tried with unfailing diligence, we'd probably be living in the dark today, wouldn't we? We'd be burning candles, wouldn't we? We'd be batting animals over the head with bricks for our supper, wouldn't we? Sounds to me like that might actually be a better way. No, Stan, shut up. Stan Gibilisco, W1GV, saying 73, best regards, and so long for now, which, whatever orderly fist I may devise, shall always translate to da-da-da-da-da-da.